famosa, así me gusta. Me gusta. Ay, me tiene loco, loquito, loco, mamá. No salgas a la calle solita, porque está bien linda. Ven conmigo, mami, por poco te puede vacilar, mamá.
What is up, guys? How you guys doing? It's a beautiful but insanely windy day today. We had 65-mile-an-hour gusts last night that actually kept me awake, and ended up waking up at like 1 in the morning and then fucking staying up and just watching videos till like 5 in the morning. I felt like sleep. But since it's been so windy, let's go check out how clear the city looks today. I bet it's pushed a lot of the smog out of the air. I'm gonna go ahead and take care of today's moto vlogger spotlight while we're going up the little hill. And he has awesome videos, very well put together videos. Just check them out. Has a few subscribers. I felt like he needs a little more for his effort of videos he makes. I enjoyed them a lot. His name is Migs7170. Very good videos on his channel. Check him out. He has quite a few up. And if you like him, go ahead and bust a sub and let him know Baker X Derek sent you. Usually when I'm riding in the wind, especially when I'm like on the freeway and shit, it pushes me over and it feels like the bike's at a constant like lean angle like that, even when I'm going straight. Look at all the shit on the ground. I'm gonna have to watch my ass. And it literally feels like you're like surfing a wave and shit. Oh yeah, it's really clear out today. Can't really get all the smog out of San Bernardino because we are the smoggiest place in the entire United States. And I've heard we're also the #1 cancer causing city because of how shitty our air is. But hopefully this insane wind that's like making me blow away shit takes a lot of that out of the air, because I love it. After a good wind, it's super clear. I love how the grass looks like waves. I got a question, guys. What would you guys say if I did a video of my city, like a, you know, like a review type, what would you call it? A tour video? But one that's like professionally shot and edited with the commentaries, all that good shit over it. And me showing you like a lot of the good shit of the areas, the cities. I mean, shit you haven't even seen yet. I'll take my time going to places. You gotta give me a good week or two to film it. But I've been dying to do a video like that, but I don't know if you guys would be interested in seeing something like that. But if you are, don't hesitate to let me know, because I'd love to make a video like that, because I love making little films. And I don't know too many people that are down to make a little acting short film with me, or, you know, writing videos for me to film them, because I don't know too many other writers. I wouldn't mind doing something like that, and I think something like that would be cool. It'll put San Bernardino on YouTube and have like a realistic perspective of the town, you know, because this place is shitty as fuck and ghetto. But if you're like me, you find the joys out of it. You find the little fun parts of it that you enjoy and have fun on and whatnot. I bet you when I hit the street right up here, I'm going to start busting some surfing moves from the damn wind. Damn, even on this enclosed street, I can feel all the damn pressure from the wind. Oh yeah, my bike's going over. I can feel it. It's fun as hell, I love it. When I feel like doing some serious riding though, and corny in the mountains, I do hate the wind. When I'm just doing my errands and going around, I have no problem doing some surfing, street surfing I like to call it. when birds are playing in the current, I always feel like, I always wonder, do birds get an enjoyment even, I mean, or is it like walking like for us? Like we can walk, we don't think nothing of it because it's second nature, it's just how we are. I mean, I wonder if flying to a bird is literally equivalent to like us walking, or they get an enjoyment out of it. Because if I could soar through the wind and have fun, man, I'd be having a blast. I laugh when they're fighting the wind and then they just like fly backwards and it's like throwing them around in the air. It's comedy stuff. Some days my bike just feels buttery smooth, like the way the motor runs and everything feels. And then some days it just feels blah and whatever and normal. I don't get it. I don't get what causes that. Shopping cart out of nowhere. Man, I need some fucking chapstick. This damn wind's killing my fucking lips. Damn, look at all that shit. Damn. That wind annihilates palm trees, and California is all palm trees. That Elks bar up there is for veterans. I've never been up there, but it's on a cool little hilltop and got a nice little overlook of the city. Maybe if I can remember by the time I leave this place, there's another place around here I haven't showed you guys, and it's another hilltop. And it's actually right around the corner from here. To show you guys. I don't know if I could take my bike in there or not. Oh yeah, here it is. I don't know, maybe I can run up that dirt fucking hill right down the side. I can't get my bike through that yellow gate. See if we can't. Damn, see? If I had my little supermoto that I so dearly want. Okay, here's a little trail to get in with the supermoto and then ride up, which I would be doing, but unfortunately I gotta run up this hill with my out of shape ass. Doesn't help that I just ran up there without stretching out my legs. I knew I should have brought my Canon. At least I can watch my bike from up here. Yeah. It's been years since I've been up in this hill. Lots of years. Damn, they even put a fence right there on the cement because people kept coming up here and riding their bikes and boards down. One time I went up here with my buddy and we were sitting down on some skateboards, riding down the hill, and I almost flew off the fucking side. Scared the shit out of me. And right behind there where that blue is, that's the police shooting facility. Right there outside in the open, behind this park and this baseball stadium for kids. The damn San Marino police shooting facility. How random, right? Look at that huge garbage bag just floating in the air right there. That thing's high. Imagine just come by and just smacking me in my face. I'm like, oh shit, fuck! But about that video I told you guys about, I want to know if you guys would enjoy to watch me, or to watch a video I make on the city. Like a tour, or just showing you guys around my town. Letting you guys know some info. Some good shot. I'll make the whole film 1080p. This is the kick it spot. Damn, I'm like fighting the wind to walk. Oh, fuck. Let me crawl into my little hole. It's a good spot to bring some 40s and get pretty drunk. Enjoy the view of the city. I'm pretty sure that happens on like a daily basis. Oh, I'm about to fall off. Alright, let's get the fuck out of here. You can tell this place is hollowed out. Damn, this would be a good place to sleep. Like if you're homeless, I'd sleep here. You don't have to worry about much wildlife and bugs. Shit, it's actually a really nice spot. I might just take a sleeping bag up here one day and just fucking camp. So, are you fighting the wind when you run? Huh? Are you fighting the wind when you run? Almost twisted my ankle. See, we can't leave this way. That says not a through street. Oh well, I might make it a through street. Looks like we just got more hills and trails around here. Cool place for a little banquet. Imagine how many drug deals go down in this parking lot. I'm probably riding up on one right now. Got fucking spikes, so you can't back up. But then like around the other side, it's just a damn driveway. You can just go as you please. Huh. Imagine ripping a fucking dirt bike around that track. I gotta go get some beer and pizza. Since this is a ridiculously trashy city as it is, when it's got all this wind, it makes it fucking like a tornado. Like a debris tornado. What I don't get is why people tag on people's houses like that. Come on, like, wonder what goes through your head. Wonder what kind of coolness or respect or awesomeness you gain out of tagging on someone's house. Not only tagging, but doing a really shitty ass job at it as well. I don't get that at all. This guy's antsy to get going. Look at, he's like, come on. Damn, that Highland Avenue sign's about to fucking break off. I almost got hit in the face with a fucking shopping bag. That fucking asshole, that black guy just stomped at that dog to try to scare it. What a fucking bitch. Hope he gets hit by a car. story, these poles that are sticking up out of this guardrail, they're just ridiculously sharp cornered on all four sides. So if you were like to fall off your bike and hit those, you'd be probably torn open and all your fucking guts and entrails would be sticking out. I think about weird shit like that. I don't know why, but I think I'm gonna go pay my doggy friends a visit. You guys seem to love when I get chased by dogs. We'll see if we can make amends with the dogs and try to be friends with them this time. Or if they still want to attack me, I don't know. We'll see. I hope they don't want to bite me. Because if they want to bite me, I don't know. I'm kind of, the only part that scares me about coming up here is I have to make a U-turn up there. If they choose to start running at me as soon as I'm coming up the hill because it's so steep, I can't make a U-turn on it. I'll just end up dropping my bike again. Then I'm really gonna be fucking bit. Oh shit. I'm already getting antsy. I think these people just leave their dogs out for protection so nobody ever goes on the street. But what the fuck does a mailman do? I'm pretty sure he doesn't like fucking having to deal with them dogs all the time. Oh, there's a car at the end of the driveway. Oh fuck. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh shit. Fucking dogs. Oh shit. Come on, bite me, motherfucker. I dare you. I dare you. I dare you, bitch. Oh, comes that little one. Oh fuck, look at these bitches. Oh my god, look how determined they are. Look at this bitch. Look at this bitch. Look at this. Fuck you, I'll kick you in your face, bitch. Oh man, you know what? I'm not scared of these dogs no more. I was scared of that big one when he's coming up on me though, and I had to make my U-turn. I'm gonna get what's coming to me if I choose to keep toying with these dogs. I'm telling you, man, dogs fucking hate me. They don't hate me, they hate me when I'm on my fucking bike. Lane, split, lane, the split, a lane, split, lane, the split, lane, split, lane, a split. Uh-oh, we got undercover po-pos right there, pulling over homeless people. What awesome use of our time. Man, those guys look like they could be people's grandpas. They're out here doing some po-po work. Time for the pizza and then the beer. Yeah! Look at that. 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 Respect it. Isn't it awesome how close my beer and pizza place is? There was a car that almost hit my mom's car and then parked, and then when they were in line, they were like, oh look, that lady, that dumbass that almost hit my car is parked right there. And then she said the car, and the lady behind her goes, that's my car. It was funny, that's all she said. It was funny. That's going to go ahead and conclude the end of my motovlog adventure. If you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to hit the fuck out of that like button. And you guys have a great day. See y'all later.